Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. And after that you can see this is search button. So just click on that and then enter your model number of motherboard B760M D3HP and then hit enter. Then after that click on the product. Then see this is your motherboard B70M D3HP. Then click on title, name of the title. After that click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you require Windows 10 and 11. There are two motherboards, so you can installations process same. Select any, which is you using. So audio driver, and this is audio driver. You can see this is size, and just click to download. After few seconds, it will start downloading. It's totally depend about your internet. If your internet is good, high bandwidth, so you can download very fast. Otherwise you have to wait some time when it is done. When it is done, just single click to open single click to open. So you can, this is driver is extracted, so you can extract. Otherwise you can directly just double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. It will take some time. It will close automatically, means this is installed. So guys, it is closed after installed. Close automatically, means this is installed. Then close it.